Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another Tesla vlog with me, Adam Well Informed. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have noticed I've been teasing these two accessories for a week or so now. Tescamp approached me to try two new products as they were new to the UK market. I was pretty interested as I've seen these on social media before and I know that they've got a big US presence too. They actually produce and sell a variety of different products, but these two products have been made exclusively for the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. So if you have a Model 3 or Model Y right now, or if you plan on buying one of these amazing cars soon, these accessories in this video may be of interest to you. To clarify Tescamp's position in this, they gave me total freedom on what I wanted to say about these products, so all of this content is from me, it's not being pre-checked or anything like that. From time to time, I do get inquiries from different businesses offering different variety of products, but rest assured, I try to do my due diligence to ensure it's valuable to you, my audience. Both products have been made from the ground up. Once I got the products, you can see they put some thought into this. It isn't just cheap junk. They're both designed to tackle completely different issues and form a solution, but trying to put their own spin on them. The two products I'll be showing you is the Tescamp neck pillow and the Tescamp mattress bed. These are for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This is a complete unboxing first impression video of both products and concludes my thoughts as to how they can become two solutions that may or may not fit your needs. Before we go into it, if you're not familiar with my videos, I'll break down the video into neat sections so you can easily go back or switch to watch the section you want to watch the most. It's pretty neat if you want to convince one of your friends or your partner that you need these accessories for their Tesla without having them watch the whole video, especially if they're only going to be interested in a certain segment of the video. So let's get into it. Starting with the most ambitious one, the Tescamp mattress. In a nutshell, this effectively turns your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y into almost a home-like sleeping experience, right in your car. A thick memory foam topped with a velvety fluff-like material is literally a luxury option when compared to camping in a tent in a sleeping bag. So rather than packing all that camping gear, you could have this super compact mattress in your car at all times, hidden in the front or the sub-trunk in the boot. I read online that bookings for staycations at one location in the UK was up over 400% compared to 2019. So if you're trying to track down somewhere to stay but struggling to either find a location or thinking the accommodation prices are excessive, then maybe this is the sub-luxury solution that you're after. By sub-luxury, I mean you've got a camping mode, climate control with Netflix. What more could you want from a temporary accommodation? Now I know this won't be to everyone's taste. I myself would rather be in a hotel in sunny Europe, but as a camping solution and the ability to convert it into a bed at any time, is that useful? Yeah, it is, because this way it can be neatly stored in my trunk, ready for any last minute accommodation needs. Another example may be I might want to use it if I'm on a day trip to the beach, for example. Maybe the British sun is a little bit too much for me and I just want to lie down in a cold area. I can lay down on the mattress, take shelter in the car, bang on the aircon and just chill. So it just gives you a creativity edge and just another option that you can utilise with your car at any time. These have been selling well in the US and now they've finally got a UK arrangement in place. It's time to put it to the test to see if it's as good as I was hoping it was going to be. If you want to take a look or you want to buy it yourself, you can get them on Amazon Prime or through their website. I'll link them both in the description below, noting the Amazon link is affiliated. So when unboxing this mattress, there is very minimal excess packaging and waste. It comes with the carry bag as standard, so there's no need to stuff it in a bin bag or a duffel bag. That would make it awkward to store afterwards. I also didn't realise until looking at the instructions that they include a bedsheet stored in a handy reusable zipper bag. The memory foam is pinned down by two fasteners to ensure it's as compact as possible for storage purposes. Also take note of the white Velcro strips. These are used to grip onto the carpet material in the boot and the back of the seats. This prevents movements in the pads as well as ensuring there's no annoying squeaks or sounds from the mattress. It doesn't come with a no snoring guarantee, so I can't guarantee you won't hear any sounds at night, but at least the mattress won't make any awkward squeaks. What makes this mattress uniquely qualified is that it's been cut to the exact dimensions of the Model 3, but also storage was evidently considered in the design. which means I can have a camping bed mattress available at all times, with it being easily storable in the rear compartment of the boot or the front of the Model 3. The instructions are super easy to follow, just got 5 easy steps. When it comes to fitting the mattress, you need to move the front seats to a forward position, drop the rear seats. Obviously, I'm showing you the Model 3 version, but if you're lucky to have a Model Y and you're interested in the product, just make sure you pick the right one, don't pick the Model 3 version, and vice versa. When unclipping the fasteners, you can see the core strength of the memory foam as it instantly begins to grow out of the bag. Pretty impressive growth if I say so, but I think every man will say that with confidence, if you know what I mean. When it comes to fitting the mattress, it comes in 3 long parts. At the end of each part or pad, whatever you want to call it, there is a softer end and a harder end. The harder end will be towards the front of the seats and the softer part at the other end. You'll know because the soft end molds around the wheel arch within the car for a snug fit. The middle pad is easy to fit as it's just a straight rectangle shape. The memory foam is pretty thick and supportive considering it shrinks to such a compact size, and the texture has this slightly velvety fluff to it. It feels pretty familiar, but I can't actually put my mind on what it feels like. It does feel really nice to touch though. Now we grab the bed sheet, and this tucks all the way around the mattress, etc. It's been a while since I've put a bed sheet on, so if my wife is watching, hopefully this attempt is as poor as the last time I tried to attempt to do a bed sheet. Size wise, I'm around 5'10", and I had room above my head and a little more near my feet area, so there's a fair bit of room there still. I weigh around 85 kilos and the mattress was supportive, but by all means this isn't going to be your own bed. It does feel premium enough that it's way more reliable than say if I was camping in a tent or a dodgy hotel. At least you know your bed sheets are clean. I also appreciate the glass roof a bit more. It's not really a feature I generally utilise as I'm never in the back seat. Not that I tried it with anyone else, but I think you should be able to fit in 2 adults on the mattress. On the Model 3, I never had this boot shelf. It doesn't move out, but I never actually connect with it, and whilst that's not practical having the shelf there, it just wasn't an issue for me. That's not a concern for the Model Y though, due to it being a hatchback SUV. Packing the item away is pretty straightforward, just the reverse of the previous instructions. The mattress will want to break free, so you need to put some weight on the memory foam with your knee to keep it into position in order to fasten it down to enable a clean zip up. Don't forget you can store your bedsheet back in here with your reusable bag, and then you can take it out with ease to wash when you're home. Before I delve deeper, please remember to support my channel by hitting the like, subscribe and the notification bell. Such a quick gesture really helps me out if you enjoy Tesla content like this. So this is completely different and unrelated to what you've just seen with the mattress. Personally, I have a tendency to not sit up straight and slouch forward. My neck is always jerked forward. Not that this is uncomfortable, but over time and with long journeys it can strain. And having my head flat on the headrest just feels unnatural for me. Having this pillow allows me to be in the same position yet absorb some of the pressure applied from my neck and upper back. Here you can see just how much pressure you could apply and how soft it is, and how turning your head isn't a cause for concern. What I like about the Tescamp's design is that the colour is bang on for a third party accessory. So in the box you get 2 neck support pillows and 6 leather straps. The straps are quite similar to a bra strap design, so if you're a wizard with bra straps then it should be pretty easy for you to hook and unhook. If you're not, the instructions again are really easy to follow. Just slot the strap into the hook on one side, and then you tuck it into the strap around the headrest to give it a strapless look before clipping the other side of the strap into the other hook. Symbols. All the straps should be well hidden, and if not, you just tuck it away for that seamless look like this. This is what it looks like with one pillow attached, and then again with both attached. Primarily this will be more useful for longer trips, but I will use it for shorter trips too. Moving my head from side to side isn't an issue, and I've not changed my posture position. It sort of slots into my natural position, so it's comfy and reassuring to have. So if you're in the product for a neck pillow and want something that looks like a Tesla product, then this will tick the comfort and the colour match box for sure. If you do get any sort of grease or sweat on it, I've tried and tested a baby wipe and that passed that test too. Conclusions. So there we have it, my 2 new accessories from Tescamp that I've slotted into my Tesla environment. 2 clear solutions to 2 very different problems. I still have a list of other accessories that I haven't purchased yet, like the air vent protector from this video here. So I actually hope this video was most useful to you. There's bound to be something that I've missed from the video, and if there is, don't hesitate to ask me any questions on either of the products. Don't forget to also support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, and share the video with your friends and family. I really enjoy doing these Tesla vlogs, and the support is hugely welcomed. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.